Hey beauties, this is Tiffany, coming to you. It's been a while with Living Lux on Half the Bucks, and this is a come watch me cut for a holiday template happy planner edition type of video, if that makes sense. So you see me showing you the templates that I purchased from Etsy, and it's a really cute holiday set, a planner set. It's good for happy planners and also Erin Condren. I'm probably saying that all wrong, the type of planner that it is, but I'll put it in the description box below. But I'll even put the link to this store. It's on Etsy. So her store name is called PolyPlans, and in the in the kit, it's a PDF file. So you get 5 zip files, and they give you different options based on how you want to print it out. It's 5 PDF files with 8.5 by 11 high resolution. And there's also a file if you want to do silhouette, option for transparent, and also an option for circuit. I use the option for the PDF version because I'm, like you see now, I'm hand cutting mine. And what I do to get the highest resolution, because I do have a printer at home, but I prefer not to use that. It may seem like some work for some people, but I like to go to Office Max because they have really nice printers, and when you print, they have some type of kind of if you ever printed at Office Max or Kinko's or FedEx, anything like that, it has some type of like a, I don't know, like it's hard to explain, like a film almost over top of it. Different from when you print from home. So I like going there because I get the best quality in the ink resolution of it. But what I'll do is in the description box, I'll put the link to PolyPlans Etsy store, and I'll put the link to this particular listing for this template in there. It was $2.80 for the template as I saw it as of today, but I did get it on sale. And she had like a percentage off sale, probably came to like $1 and some change. But it's a really cute set, and the tools that I use to complete the, to be able to do this, because I like doing it because it's very easy for me. I don't have a circuit and I don't have a silhouette, so I don't plan on buying one anytime soon. But before, I used to just, like you see me right now, I just would strictly hand cut everything. But I had this Fiskar 12-inch paper trimmer, and I had that for some time, but I just got it recently out of storage. That helps me get through this stuff so much quicker instead of cutting everything by hand. So, the tools that are very helpful if you like to do hand cutting and you don't want to spend all day technically, or maybe an hour or two, maybe not take 2 hours, but an hour. This cuts it down like 30 minutes. Is a Fiskar 12-inch paper trimmer. I got this from Joann's Fabric, but you can go Joann's Fabric, Hobby Lobby, Michael's. Get yourself a nice pair of scissors if you want. Doesn't matter what kind, those are just particular scissors I like. The paper that I like to use, it's a 8.5 by 11 white adhesive paper. That's not it what you see me cutting right now with all the mutts on it, but it's some other ones. And I purchased that paper from eBay, the white one. I'm trying to think. It was eBay. That type of paper I like for, okay, so right now you see me starting to cut, like it has the different images on it, and the little smaller boxes and things like that that you can put inside your little calendar months, days. That type of paper I got from eBay, and at the time it was $10.99 for 100 sheets. That was pre C19. I'll say that was before. So after last time I checked, it was like $14.99. So it's still really great quality paper. I like the quality, so I keep coming back. The other shiny paper that you saw that I had was a transparent rainbow tint paper, 8.5 by 11, and I got that off of Amazon. The two stores from eBay and Amazon that I got my adhesive paper from, I will put that in the description box below. And from there, you can just continue watching me cut. I would say that this definitely is so much easier now that I have this Fiskar, and excuse me if I'm saying it all wrong, but the paper trimmer just makes it go by so much easier. And you will be seeing a lot more videos of me cutting. I will do another video that'll show me actually putting my whole month template together, like all the stickers and everything in place. My goal with this video was trying to keep it at least 10 minutes. So I'm not holding you. I mean, you can only watch somebody cut but so long. But the next one will be just me arranging my stickers how I want to place them on my calendar, and towards the end you'll kind of see that too. So just sit back and enjoy. If you have any questions, definitely leave them in the comments below. Hit like, subscribe. I'm going to be doing a lot more planner videos. For the past year I've gotten into planners. I've always been into planners, but I have not been able to be consistent with my planner. So the planner templates, the Happy Planner has definitely kept me on track. I hope you enjoy, and there's more to come. I thank you all for watching, and I hope you guys have a safe, happy holidays, and see you in the next one. The next one will be me just arranging it. You'll see a little bit of me just getting the idea of it, but the next video will be me actually placing everything. But everyone, have a safe, happy holidays. Love you all, and take care.